Simon & Schuster Audio presents
How Not to Fall in Love, Actually. Written by Catherine Bonetto. Read by Rosie Jones. Chapter 1.
Cut! Where is fighting prostitute number 3?
I shot out of my slouch and grabbed the radio off my desk, finger hovering over the transmit button. Fighting prostitute number 3? Fighting prostitute number 3? Is today prostitute day? I thought it was car accident day.
Quentin to Emma.
The radio crackled again.
Bring fighting prostitute number 3 to set, please.
Ignoring on Dixie's forehead. Even Mum looked tempered by his reverence. But then she broke it. Darling, I'm so sorry, but I really need to get home. She pulled at the seat of her jeans. I've got Vaseline bum and it's making my cheeks sweat. Diana, Uncle Mike said. Alex laughed and dug her phone out of her bag. Come on, everyone, smoosh in. She stood in front of the bed holding up the phone. Everyone gathered round and grinned at the camera. Say cheese, Alex said. Say sweaty cheeks, Helen countered. Sweaty cheeks. Alex checked the photo, passed it to me, and went back to fawning over her niece. I gazed at the grinning faces in the photo while the assembly of people I loved gathered their bags, dolls, flip-flops and singular mittens, bubbles, iPhones and lipsticks, and talked about dinner and hospital parking fees. And Helen told Sophie her skirt didn't match her top, and Ned passed Dixie back to Joe, and Sinead asked Mum about babysitting, and Mum said she was going to East Africa, nowhere specific, just far away for a long time. And Jess snored on Uncle Mike's shoulder, and Alice told Archie not to say penis near a baby, and Douglas choked on a chocolate, and a male nurse poked his head round the corner and asked for Helen's number. And Sophie told Alex about the new ice cream for lactose-intolerant people called Ice Bean, made entirely from Chinese red beans. And Joe, still holding my beautiful daughter, moved through the fracas and kissed me on the lips. And Ned noticed and smiled. And my heart fused back together. That was How Not to Fall in Love, Actually. Written by Catherine Bonetto. Read by Rosie Jones.
This has been a presentation of Simon & Schuster Audio.